Keisha, girl, come downstairs. Come downstairs right now. All right? Come downstairs. No, just come downstairs. You gotta come downstairs and see, girl. Just come downstairs. All right. All right, bye. I don't wanna be your ex. We're way so good at being friends. Oh, girl. Yes, bitch. Yes.
Oh, God, girl, that's you.
What? You like it?
Yeah, girl, it's cute. It is cute.
Brand new, right?
What?
Brand new.
What year?
Yes, 2019. Yes, ma'am. You know, girl, if car look good, I gotta look good. You see this? You see all this? You see all this I got going on, right?
Okay, girl.
Look. Oh, you gotta stick your head in the car, so you feel that air, right? Yeah. So you ain't got to be talking about it's hot in here. Just come on around and get in. Let's go. So where you want to go?
Let's go get something to eat.
Get something to eat. Girl, ain't nobody eating in my car. No, ma'am. No eating up in here. No drive-through. Just forget about it. I don't give a dang if you the police. You better not let your car. You better slow down, police.
Girl, that's the police.
Girl, I don't care. He got rules just like anybody else. Do you see how fast he was driving up on my car? I don't care about he the police. Sure, I'll sue the county. Girl, this is how it is to be riding in a new car up in traffic. I got a whole different view. Girl, I ain't got no problem. I don't care about waiting. It's okay. Take your time. You ain't got to move. It's cool up in here. We got air. We got music. We got luxury, girl. A whole different view. And I like the way it look. And everything in this work. I'm like, I ain't never had a car with everything that work. The windshield wipers work. The radio work. The windows work. Hey, girl. And check this out. Look in the glove box. Even a brand new book. Girl, when you ever saw a brand new book inside of a car?
Not never.
Everyone I see always turning yellow like somebody done pee on it. This one brand new. With a drawstring pouch and all. Put it back on. Bro, when I say everything in this thing work,
I mean everything.
okay. I like this view. This how it look from this end. This how. Girl. If you don't slow down and stop running up on my car like that, you better not scratch my car. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, she tripping.
You saw it too. I better respect my car.
Hey, you want to go to Walmart?
Go where? Girl, ain't nobody going to Walmart. Walmart is crowded right now. In the middle of the day, after work, when all these people who waited to the last minute to get something, rushing in and out, got their kids and all this and that going on, and they got to help and make dinner, mad at their child, mad at their husband, or whatever they got going on, and they let a buggy hit my car? Hit my car? Girl, you hit my car. You see where I'm coming from? Okay. No, ma'am. I go in the middle of the night, 2, 3 in the morning, when everybody's asleep. For now on, whenever I park, I promise you, girl, I'm not parking next to the door at no company. I'm gonna park as farthest from the door as I can get, where nobody else ain't parking over there. Cause I'm telling you, somebody scratched my car, it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be out. It's gonna be on and popping. Finish that soda before you get in my car. Like I said, you can throw it away, but finish it before you get in this car. Ain't no eating and drinking in here. Tried to slide up in the gas station to get a soda. I guess I should have been specific and said no eating or drinking. Anyway, Dream family, I really do appreciate you guys for stopping by. I thought it would be nice to come back and do part 2 and just say what people with new cars say. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys absolutely enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see next. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, take this opportunity to do so. Click on the subscription button and the notification. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.